Good morning. It's Troy from my backyard. Not sure if you can hear the plane. Otherwise, there's a nice, beautiful breeze happening here. Smell the lilac. Remember those scratch and sniff stickers? That's what we need for our devices. Need to be able to just go, and then you can enjoy what I'm enjoying. Yeah. So, good morning. On our journey here together this week, I want to share with you the 4 steps that are helping you achieve your goals faster than you ever have. All right. This is the process that we all miss. And now you're not going to miss out on it anymore. So before we get to that, today we got to deal with a big mistake that we make that's getting in the way of those 4 steps. This is a mistake that we often make as we try to achieve our goals. So in the past, you've set a goal, you've gotten it. Oh, it feels so good. I love it. Other times you set a goal and you didn't get it. That doesn't feel as good. No, right? So why is that? What's going on there? The question I love asking is what's the difference that makes the difference between getting the goal and not getting the goal? Okay, so previously we established we've got those 2 minds, right? The conscious mind, I'll point here for it, and we have the unconscious mind right in here, right? This is your goal setter. This is your goal getter. You got to work together if you want to get the results. So you can consciously decide to go after any goal you want. You can dream small, but you can dream big. I want this for myself and my loved ones and the world. I want that. Dream big. Yes, that's good. This is what your conscious mind's there for, to set those goals. But if that goal isn't aligned with your unconscious mind, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Or it'll take forever and you're going to be grinding it out and it's going to be so unpleasant. And we don't want that. We want this whole journey to be joyful, right? The joys in the journey, as we're told, right? Yeah. So why is there that misalignment? Why are they aligned sometimes, but other times not? The alignment's in the beliefs, right? So you don't have to dream smaller. That's not the answer. The answer is just getting your beliefs in alignment at the unconscious level. But this is the mistake that we often make. Try to achieve our goal by changing our behavior without first checking in and changing our beliefs, right? So your unconscious mind wants to succeed. It's like this, I want to get over here. There's this behavior that's happening over here, and it's not congruent with what you want to get towards. So your conscious mind intervenes and goes, all right, I'm going to change that behavior. I'm going to do this instead. So it goes and tries to do that. Well, guess who's paying attention? Your unconscious mind, and says, wait, what's happening? What are you trying to do over there? That's not aligned with me. Sorry, it's not aligned with our beliefs. So I'm going to throw in this behavior. In fact, I'll throw in another behavior. I might even throw in another one there just to combat and bring. This is your self-sabotage habit, right? It comes down to those beliefs. And so when you have your conscious mind and your unconscious mind working against each other, that's that tug of war that we talked about yesterday, right? It creates that inner tug of war. It's the battle of behaviors ensuing. You're consciously fighting yourself. So we're going to put down that rope. We're going to stop fighting ourselves. We're going to focus on the beliefs. The amazing Jim Quick, love that guy. He succinctly said it so beautifully. All behavior is beliefs driven. So the solution isn't in the behavior, changing the behavior. It's in changing the beliefs first. The answers in the beliefs. Begin with your beliefs. There you go. That's our lesson here for today. And now you know why you're not getting your goal. So the next step is knowing how to actually deal with the beliefs, right? You're ready for it. You've ingested today. You are ready for it. The 4 steps to help you achieve your goals faster than you ever have. It's absolutely changed my journey, that's for sure. And I love passing it along to everyone because the world needs more empowered people to keep changing the world for the better. And so let's make that a part of that group, okay? Oh, I should also mention being a part of a group, by the way, June 14th, we have a Get Your Goals Now workshop, and it's free, all right? So if you're currently struggling with a goal, you have a goal, but you're not getting that goal and it's discouraging and it's just taking too long. Maybe you're taking some action, you're not progressing it fast enough, you keep having little setbacks, or you just might not be taking any action at all. Maybe that fear of failure, judgment, rejection, whatever it is slowing you down, getting in your way. This is the workshop for you because you're going to notice this is the behavior that's not working. We know, don't focus on the behavior. We got to focus on the beliefs. So this is definitely for you. This free workshop, definitely for you if you want to get your goal now. Yes, there we go. A little PSA. That's going to be on the 14th of June. Otherwise, get ready this week as I give you those 4 steps to helping you achieve your goals faster. All right. As you now know, it begins with beliefs. I'm Troy, your beliefs coach and your brain coach, wishing you an amazing Tuesday. All right. Be well and enjoy the lilac smell.